What should we do if the mobile phone is out of power when you are out of travel? With this solar folding bag anytime, anywhere, the energy is full. HAWEEL 28W solar folding bag uses imported Sunpower 3rd generation solar panels. As long as there is light, there will be electricity. The photoelectric conversion rate can reach 23% to 25%, which is 60% higher than traditional crystalline silicon solar panels. Lets your digital devices last longer and are fully charged every moment. The product comes with two 5W USB output charging ports, which can charge two digital devices at the same time, such as mobile phone, tablet, charging charger, camera. TPU material with high light transmission, toughness, and aging resistance makes the solar panel achieves the characteristics of waterproof splash and mildew-proof. There is a small storage bag inside. You can put some small items with you, such as the key. In addition, you can also choose the small and portable HAWEEL 27W. You can put the phone in the storage bag to charge. One USB interface, the same nylon waterproof fabric. The following HAWEEL 27W solar folding bag, in addition to digital devices, can also charge the car battery. One USB interface, nylon waterproof fabric. HAWEEL solar folding bag series will bring more security to your journey. Let the one phone and use power.